What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Still back at it on the book right now. Just got off a little while ago. About to do a little bit more writing and got me something to eat. And now I'm a little relaxed, man. Finna try to come up with some few things. I was thinking I want I want to be able to give my personal experiences and how I got into welding. So the book is pretty much going to tell you how I got into it, also giving you the seven steps to help you be independent. And also, I'm gonna show you how to um, file for your EIN, how to set up and search for your LLCs to be able to pay your fees or whatever to get your bank account and get everything off the line. I mean, I'm gonna give you everything that I learned, and I got it all literally out the mud. Like, did nobody give me anything at all? I mean, I had to literally get out there, knock on doors, uh, make bad investments, make another bad investment, make some good investments, make better investments. You know what I mean? So, in order for us to make, you got to think it like this. If you are looking to make hundreds, you're going to lose hundreds. That's what it is. You're going to lose hundreds in order to make them hundreds. And if you're going to make thousands and you're thinking, oh man, I want to make thousands, well, you're going to lose thousands to make thousands. And you say, you know what, I'm going to make millions. You're going to lose millions to make millions. And I learned that by observing other entrepreneurs who are actually out there getting a real serious bag. And so it just let me know that, all of this is just part of the process, but it's getting wiser over time. And I don't know if I told you or not, but this year is my last, probably, I'm not going to say what month yet, but this year be my last year actually networking and going out on the road independently. You know how I be going out, and not independently, but when I be, well, it's still independent, but I be networking myself out without using my rig, and I be making decent money. But this is the last year I'm gonna do that. I'm really focusing on my products. I'm really focusing on my book, clothing, teaching, the independent seminars. I'm really focused on helping those who really need it because I got a big need. So I want to address the need and actually get a facility going and have a location where people can come in, fly in, come kick it with me. We can learn. We can, you know what I'm saying? I can put you up on some good things. So I'm trying to form something that can outlive me and that can help people on different levels. But as far as me going out here working for these people, this is my last year doing that, and it's not going to be the full year neither. You know what I mean? As far as me networking independently, doing, using my rig, yeah, I'm always do that. But as far as me like going to a company, doing a shutdown or something, getting some money, I'm done with that for a few reasons actually. Because um, a lot of times, when you majority of the times, especially for us African Americans, Black natives, um, we go on the road, man. We face so much drama. After a while, you just like it ain't even worth the money. Like literally, it ain't even worth the money. You know what I mean? The bag is good, but you be like, for your peace and your sanity, it's better to save your money, get your money up. Like this, this job, that I'm doing right now, it's a good opportunity. It's actually good money in it. So I'm trying to make some investments. So I'm using this money to make some investments. So it's kind of like a PowerPoint for me. So I'm like, hey man, let me going to do this so I can make this other move. So I won't have to do this again because I'm gonna leave this to the younger generation. You know what I mean? Jumping out here, because I feel like you got to get your feet wet. You got to put your time in. You know what I mean? And I just feel like I done put my time in as far as working for people. Now it's just gonna be strictly just providing services and my products. You know what I mean? But as far as me networking, my time is too valuable, and you have to go through too much BS. You know what I mean? So I would rather just focus on my own thing. So that's what I'm doing now, man. So I'm working on this book. This actually is going to be an ebook and a hardback. So stay in tune for it. Sorry about that. Stay in tune for it. So it's going to be an e-back and a hard book. I already got my ebook set up for Amazon, so I did all my proper things for that. So once I finish, it's very easy to publish it, self-publish it. So I'm gonna self-publish it myself, and that's another thing. I always say, man, if you can do it, you can learn on Google. Do it yourself, and it just make you better. All gone.